Hello, Earth and Astronomical Science students. So you're in week 5. So we are halfway through on our over the hump, halfway through the course. So we're starting astronomy this week. So we finished up our studies of earth science, and now we're jumping in to study astronomy. So in this first chapter, we're really going to start looking at just night sky basics, basics of rotation and orbit around our sun. We're also going to talk a little bit about history of astronomy, and then a little bit about constellations. So your homework this week, don't put it off the last minute, because in this homework you need to actually go outside and observe the stars on a clear night. Now I understand in Illinois there's a lot of times weather problems, but so if it's clear any night this week, go outside and observe the stars, okay? I'm not asking for you to stand outside and observe for a long time, even just 5 or 10 minutes. You know, bring your family, bring your friends, make an event of it. You're going to have to prepare an observing preparation sheet. Okay, that's the second part of the homework assignment. This helps you know what you're going to be able to see in the night sky. You can use the free planetarium program that you're downloading this week, Stellarium. It's a great tool. That might help you figure out what you're going to look at in the night sky. Okay, so you're going to determine things like when does the sun rise, when does the sun set, is the moon out? If it is, what is the phase of the moon for the night you're going to observe? Which constellations are going to be directly overhead at, let's say, 9 p.m. when you're going to go outside and observe. Okay, that's what the observing prep sheet is all about, for you to figure out what you're going to be able to see. So I encourage you to try to find some of the basic constellations like the Big Dipper. Maybe even go ahead and try to find Polaris, the North Star. A little bit difficult in Illinois sometimes, because sometimes the Big Dipper is kind of low on the horizon, but take a stab at it and pick out a few other constellations that you want to try to find in the night sky. Now, we have a special treat this week. There will be a total lunar eclipse visible to you guys on Tuesday, April 15th. Now it's early in the morning, okay, so either stay up late or get up early, but I would really encourage you to try to view the lunar eclipse. I have all the information available to you there on the Blackboard page. But remember, the lunar eclipse, you're going to learn about this in the astronomy section, but what this is essentially when the Earth gets between the sun and the moon, and it actually ends up looking reddish in color when it is eclipsed, because the sunlight bends through the Earth's atmosphere and refracts at a longer wavelength, which is the red color, and then projects that light on the moon. Okay, it's very similar to how you see a red sunset. So you'll be able to see this neat astronomical event this week during our astronomy section. Okay, so I encourage you to look at that if you get a chance. You know, push yourself to get up early or stay up late. It's a neat event if you've never seen one before. Okay, so pretty exciting week for us, learning about the night sky basics, history of astronomy, and then able to see a lunar eclipse. So your basics this week, as always, have your reading guide, your lecture notes, you have your homework, your discussion board. Remember to discuss on separate days. Be checking that discussion board throughout the week. And then, of course, take your review quiz. All right, so please contact me if you have any questions, email, phone, or Skype. I'm here to help. All right, have fun with your first week of astronomy. I'll talk to you guys next week.